Okay, Abusia, Thursday training Abaso, and then say election day, Chairman Solo, any ura, Obin such Emsa Gabo, Nadia Swan, a wide day, Solo, Edisua still leading, Bibia Ecoso. Now, you say, I don't think an amateur training mine short, very short training. And of course, we did no Ewamua, a Dakojachi training grounds, and no, you're straight, not another quite gracious, gracious job, Eddie, another. Training picture a crowd in my so my real time do I see.
Oh yes, champion. Osha send you city na and election can see pa as to join you can say we are suffering because call Kotoko could the whole world will be supported Kotoko South Africa, maybe Kotoko be Drubia or supporters as well and social farm sense of some who use their two balance as well. The whole world in China about what can say pa and so Kotoko and so Bubu in China. And my training, Coach Abdul Karim Zito, and the boys know every drew at the Pujachi temper, and then more a training bear 2 hours, 30 minutes. Since I know, because a team no, I train a year or more echo back to team camp and so on for them. See, what's the Ubusadia, about winning to know, and the team no, a year training temper, no matter how winning temper.
Oh, okay. Na kakra who could do hono my in term for your information, I work it, so I unveil said the other kind, a bit home come kakra. But BBA you see, BB different BC training grounds so.
Boss, you may have phone it for Emma Kwaba because and updated if we at the Pujachi at Yamono, a super power no shit. You understand, Timono, every room I will have say and more a buy, Osha sending our boys no, I think I was short and a snake and radiant and now supporters be complaining, say, boys now say, or more I adore crack any other, but and then not a special, a difference, and so our training grounds now. And the players, different players every room, and so our have or more any team, and so a training. But my main fa, and not to room has say a training. I did my probably Kumasi and take the Koyama for and yet for Aziz Dari Haruna Mohammed Kamara and Benjamin Chu, 3 goalkeepers Nina, and so it me ever. Ebe training come up. Patrick Esidu, Samba Unel, Henry Kwame Ansu, Francis Apa, Shaibu, Abubakar, a double Lord Hilary, Albert Amwa, Seth Kwejo, Zakaria Kuseni, Emmanuel Entry, Donzo, Morafren, Samson Abantia, the Dean Eric Johnson Owusu, Hubert Jau, Joseph Amwa, Saka Dauda, Joseph Ablo, Kwame Poku, Philip Amo, and Abantia, the Dean Eric Musa Hamzata, Michael Sifa. And so every room has say, but one thing I said, Michael Sipa, Obano went me I training giddy beer, and so for the same as Patrick Esidu, and so I training giddy beer, and so her. But and Ube Rema, 4 goalkeepers, every youth team in every room. When the second team is this year, or more under 17, and it sounds what under 19, under 17 on Kobo, Cheetah Cup, I had 2 goalkeepers tuning in and a 17 and an 18 for goalkeepers, and then almost 80 and then on supporters they were not a city and not a firm because time on SSI the supporters never don't say yet you will see and I could judge your friends said I'll be doing training grounds in Tiamla. Coach Abdul Karim Zito and so Ashe Koye and said Kotoko team finishing I said top Dhaka top one and Koye and Famo and they scored just a 5 goals and see and then now share send here Coach Abdul Karim Zito Hamza Obey and Coach Prince Yawusu a training points now our the final third now I'm to team as also a boy Joseph Ablo a full training our club Kumasi Asante Kotoko Samba Unel and to me I am also a full training and my club Kumasi Asante Kotoko so do and so a training kakra and so our but Patrick coach air resting I said they are boy every no team anymore what me share no what me for and the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so Bobo Kunti boss who say and a training na a super and na a woman so na anu worship and say team no ashep more goals and so quality and defenders no a create no now strikers no and so ebontina.
Okay, na yedimsa Musa Hamzata enra Wednesday o sheki na say ene name so yetin endra so akwa ne niam bi wa to okoni krom ne say ne oteten haban punu niam kakra na waba bedru ana say ne site
Boss and the Walid name of Hussein into me bedru probably a tea camp no sounds so rim I would link grounds and then train a course no Walid name of Hussein into me you train Kotoko and Wamakra.
okay in this time and yeah be after the champion of champions no
yes.
Na Johnson usu upon
yes.
na man for kasa o ye pam no ye yes ye terminate contract oni ju say for mo a omo so omo ya bia wo training to say omo ye door ana say kasa no awura omo video ana they are cool normal
Chairman send your boys no ye adwuma wo training no ase ye na ekoye mu boys someone teach you one tissue and then they were this series any you train and run so now this series any you training no as more one day nearby I don't know near airport so I won't get but boys no the NG and you train and run then and I think say after almost get training we na penalties no airport no the NG on the board the penalty share and the win on the boys no so the same thing and on the boys there so for money there, as a woman and safety, but the other supporters near where you know, and as a panic and you and the man but about 2 boys there, almost fixed and almost a training normal training also training grounds.
Nice job, thank you. So nice to consulti. A new who can say you how be
sure.
Indeed, training over last for how many hours?
2 hours 30 minutes. 2 minutes back time. In my training is somewhere in team winning team.
Now election
a ball 4:30.
Kasawi.
A ball 4:30 no more training. A ball 4:30 no more training. A ball and then some man check. We na on bomb fire and then almost see pass or more echo.
Eba say the any say manfo bi cross we be see akiro omo nim say afi no be sha ase o.
Me me share ba be o pass so. O say me me di kan ansa na team bass no. E ba be say me won me ba nyina na e me mu so mo ba na me che o me so mo bi tu dan sana. Omo ya we say eh na de omo surprise omo pa and aso ma da kakra time no mo but was a coach can be bad.
But on a more serious note no season never started. Tiwa musha then o say enya.
So Prebia and Shada Mad there in the here.
So by Prebia Yamba.
Okay.
Prebia Yamba. Okay.
Nana by that's Joahum Nafi Fantini Bess Joahum. So Krum Kasa and Joahum Neko.
When you are home,
Boko and Biania the idea. Why?
Election is come up.
Now, or ya bobbing such a
this guy was Chumukra, this idea. What Chumukra. They are for I would say last problems where that's where they be said, well, father, and yeah, excellent thing for declare. I was here declare they are airquake here. Our father and
I say
and one thing I said, Kotoko idea because he would say they will be. Oh, my leader.
Allegations
and my idea.
I'm saying no dear, the very back.
Sure.
To nobody else, and Nancy Mammy. Who's also quite want to do a fijasi.
Sure. You back from Martin.
Now, come on, you back on so no. You're now all kind of.
Very much.
And here about Kwame Gracious and or yeah, live report if Rada Kwejachi no. And Rebecca Mika say either said now said next week. Jersey unveiling of the second Jersey. Ebebasuma me catch us say THB could contemplate this or be third optional Jersey. Be number 3 Ediama Kotoko, but no the munya end decided this is their way Jersey. Unveiling no eba so my players ni kecheka kra I said no. It was really nice to watch. Enjoy Kakramame, enjoy. Away Jays.
But on a more serious note, no, season never started. Tiwa Musha, then I was saying, yeah, Rema lifted trophy no this year. Because last season, no, Mamusha, yeah, Deba, Intimia lifted trophy no. FA Cup now, yeah, said to me, kind. So what do you guys think? I was saying, yeah, Sana.
I can also just say, I said, as it's me, just me, the cups be a
Make a answer. Then okay.
yeah, just so I show up, I think the last season for maybe there, this season, the entire best. Now, Africa, so like young people in
I think we have to keep our consistency because you say we need better 3-2 and that's what the other. I say to me keep it share I don't know bit me am we need to be a Jimmy.
Yeah, what we need the insurance incentive goes need there. Season.
We can't move something.
After working at your football, last season, season we a double up and one beats me up.
Okay, uncle. Alright, fabulous. Best. Fabulous. Greatest. Fabulous. Come on. THB.
As far beyond.
THB.
As far beyond.
It aspire beyond Jesse away no any unveiling no. Na enumu ena baba ya yanso baba nti we no I say yanum de ni bia na say nti say yanum de ni bia baba.
We dey enter me.
That we bring Yanum Baby.
One
And the pay as some man.
so okay Yanuma you say you are being your mudia no
Me council so bi no me yana kantaman to ama home.
But we dey wood down.
We dey yana brochile to na ababi.
I know she has
Ijetia to.
ni say catch you what kwaje odi na no
she. PhD.
Oh ya no me.
We and you would any be out. No she and Casa. No she. Same kutu.
Same pap.
Your wages unveiling, and I am very, very spectacular, very, very nice. THB, the Hope brand, must set a standard and a super, super magnificent job. Absolutely top notch. And I'm here home ejumano. Boys and also at me exhibited or more acting talent. Come on, pa. And also kakra if it to ja, yeah, to jama in a tier. For you more training grounds on Como, and your sounds to dear who keep your wages and I will share home common. We did Derek Saint Kizito. We see that one chair of a Zito there be of a Zito there young Hannibal. No of a pet. Nana Zito no. Yes, I've been a Zito no Zeka a to Draminia Cabana Boating. This will be minia purple. Cabana Boating, a ardent listener for this great show or one crime. Timber Market. Cabana Medasi for your blessing of words and waka ede asende me or WhatsApp abibia to me akoso nti sana esitie na kwabena ebisa commander Griffiths ase o se owu commander na nsen and am so there be commander oda so with team no a obu apa onko baby and or dear foul spiritual realm kakras ese ye nima say nam se mate ye de nyina so ebe ma mpanyufo nti of kwabena boatin nyame onhyira o mame nyame onye okase more onhyira o yi pa of kwabena boatin war in crime. Is it Timber Market of Nyamenya Okasi say kutu say bam na inshana doso na onisha yina. Thank you, so blessing me with your voice. Meniaji in seminar waka no it's as a bebuama, a shame crime to me. So thank you so much. Sana is it here. Kotoko away Jesse unveiling and I told you and right there were two and absolutely I hear her sound so. And in so training grounds and commons so eka edi egua edi ama kotoko ye training ne said what is and report and another crime gracious kano na and then coach ayen intentem pa my GP ho and na oyen quick and in ye de ama bibia we ko so na de tie any say players ni na obiaba apart from Neymar Walid Fuseni and na okwakofa de ufie that is in Chrome na wasaba and also kakra tudwa ewo mu a bitimi aya kwankyere mpa ya bobibia mu ehia utu anamompa enebua na onko enkopunu bimra na omebua makotoko yenye trophy eno ne hia ene sa pepepe na esitia sei kutu sei bamjisi no nso eda ho a wenye wudie ni bia enye kantamanto rembo enye men passem bia na de nti abusia hi GH live studio that's say o share pa thank you so much say the biada o share na oni e konna ekran thank you so much.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, I'm going to hit subscribe na my Naya Twaso Aquarium. Na here na yeshi. What's the other day? Thank you. Na nyom no crowd na do. Obani kasan so a eya na was seeing wumpa.
Did you enjoy?
Oh yes, yeah, enjoy.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Absolutely, you better hit subscribe. Na yede sumpa asumwa himbo no sports kwan so. Thank you so much for watching. Gracias.